Have you ever looked at your New Jersey lawn and felt discouraged? Maybe it's patchy, brown, or full of weeds. You're not alone. Many lawns here struggle with compacted soil, harsh weather conditions, and heavy foot traffic. But don't despair. This video will show you how to achieve the lush, healthy lawn you've always dreamed of. We'll reveal the secrets to choosing the right grass seed and provide expert tips for a successful transformation. Choosing the right grass seed is crucial for a successful lawn. It's like picking the right clothes for the weather. You wouldn't wear a swimsuit in the winter. New Jersey's climate has its own unique challenges. First, consider how much sun your lawn gets. Some grasses thrive in full sun, while others prefer shade. Next, think about your soil type. Is it sandy, clay, or something in between? The right seed blend will suit your specific soil. Finally, decide what kind of lawn you want. Do you prefer a thick, lush lawn, a low-maintenance option, or a grass that can handle shade? Understanding your lawn's needs will lead you to the perfect seed blend for a beautiful, thriving lawn. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the perfect seed blend for New Jersey lawns. We recommend a mix that includes Kentucky bluegrass, perennial ryegrass, and fescue. Kentucky bluegrass is known for its deep green color and durability, while perennial ryegrass provides fast germination and excellent wear tolerance. Fescue adds shade tolerance and drought resistance, making it perfect for various conditions. This winning combination ensures a lush, resilient lawn that can withstand New Jersey's weather extremes. Look closely at the seed mixture. You'll see the different types, all working together for a healthy, vibrant lawn. Now that you have the perfect seed blend, let's talk about planting and maintenance. Start by preparing your soil. Remove any debris, loosen the top layer, and test the pH. You may need to add amendments like compost or fertilizer to create the ideal growing conditions. Next, spread the seed evenly and rake it in lightly. Water gently but frequently to keep the soil moist. Once your lawn is established, regular fertilization is key for healthy growth. Mow regularly, but don't cut too low, and remember to control weeds early on. By following these simple steps, you'll create a thriving lawn that you can enjoy for years to come. Just look at the difference. This is what a healthy, thriving New Jersey lawn can look like. Remember, the right grass seed combined with proper care is the key to a beautiful lawn. We've shown you the steps to achieving amazing results. Don't wait any longer to transform your lawn. Get your hands on our recommended seed blend and start creating the lawn of your dreams. And if you need professional help, don't hesitate to reach out to a local landscaping expert. With the right tools and a little effort, a stunning lawn is within your reach. Let's get started.